Welcome, explorers! Today, we will learn about an intelligent and beautiful animal. Horses. We all know cowboys rid horses, but what did cowboys use them for? Stay to the end to find out. Horses are known for their speed, strength, and endurance. They are also known for their intelligence, loyalty, and their ability to form strong bonds with humans. Horses have been used for transportation and warfare throughout history. Today, we often use horses for horseback riding, racing, and showing. Did you know horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years? And some breeds have been domesticated for 10,000 years, which means they have been tame and kept as pets or on a farm. The Romans used horses for racing. The samurai used horses in battle, and so did knights. Horses are so useful. Okay, explorers, I got a fun fact for you. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, as we're giving away free posters and revision sheets each week. Many people think horses have nails, but they actually have hooves, which is made of keratin, the same material as human nails and hair. Hooves grow continuously, and horses need regular trimming and shoeing to keep them healthy, just like our nails. Horses don't feel pain when they get them trimmed. Horses are mammals. I got a question for you, explorers. Are horses warm-blooded or cold-blooded animals? I will give you a moment to think. Did you say warm-blooded? That's correct. Mammals have fur or hair and even produce milk for their young ones. Female horses, or mares, give birth to their young, which are called foals, after a pregnancy that lasts around 11 months. Horses are herbivores, which means they primarily eat hay or grass. They may also consume grains such as oats, corn, or barley. Horses use their front teeth to bite off the grass or hay and then use their back teeth to grind it. They have a relatively small stomach, so they need to eat small amounts of food frequently throughout the day. But they do drink a lot of water, around about 5 to 10 gallons a day. Horses are very social animals. They stick together in herds and protect and care for each other. They are able to form close bonds with other horses, as well as with humans. Humans build trust with horses by feeding, brushing them, and even riding them. Did you know horses are sensitive to human emotions and body language? This means the horse can often sense when their human is upset, stressed, and even angry. There have even been instances where a horse has comforted a human when they are sad. Do you want to hear what a horse sounds like? Yes? Okay, let's listen. Now for the big question. What did the cowboys use horses for? Cowboys used horses to tackle many different tasks, such as rounding up cattle and other livestock. They would ride their horses around the herd, using their presence to guide the animals in the right direction. Cowboys used a technique called lassoing to catch animals with ropes. They would throw the rope around the animal's neck or legs, and then pull it tight to catch the animal. Okay, explorers, that's all I got about the amazing horses. Don't forget to download your free poster and revision sheet down below. See you later.